Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Ndanu and I'm back again with another natural hair video. On today's video, we are going to be making a very easy hairstyle that you can easily make in under 5 minutes. You're going to see how easy this hairstyle is. It's very quick. It's something that you can easily make even in the morning before you leave the house, as you're preparing yourself to go somewhere, and it will not take more than 5 minutes. I decided to work with my fingers and just do away with the combs and just things that are just going to waste our time and just dampen our moods. Sometimes with natural hair, how you can just start styling your hair with combs and they just discourage you, because of just the state of your hair. So all I did was I just used my finger and just took a small section at the front, as you saw earlier, and that's the section that I've been twisting. So really, that's all you need. It doesn't have to be perfect, trust me. The way we are making it, that is the perfect look. So all you'll do, you just do the same on the other side and just twist the hair. That's pretty much all that we're gonna do. That's the most actually that we're going to do with this hairstyle. So just quickly do that, and then now we can easily move on to the next section. So at this point, I'm just admiring the 2 strands of twist that I have on my head, and I really love how they turned out. Then I'll just take a bit of oil just to give my hair more moisture, just a little bit more, because most times when I'm styling my hair is usually a little bit stretched and moisturized. But if you're going out in the hot sun, you just need to add a bit of extra oil on your hair so that it doesn't dry out too much. So here comes the fun part, which is literally almost like the last step of this hairstyle. You just take a thread or a thin hairband that you have. In this case, I took a shoelace, a black shoelace, and all I did was just push my hair back just to the center. You can make the puff a little bit small. In this case, I decided that I want to have a big puff for the look that I was going for, and I really love how easy and just very easy this was. So that was pretty much it. Then I just stretched the puff a little bit, and also compressed it a bit just to make it look neat. Then I also decided just to add a bit of accessories on the hair just to make the look, just to give it a vibe. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I love how easy it was to achieve the hairstyle, and it's an easy hairstyle that anyone can easily achieve. So that's basically it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, and also comment down below, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one. Bye.